Hello friends, Running Kimono here. All of this and these little goods here on this shelf, all going to be sent to a family member. I've advocated this before in the past, that if you shop big and you can help out somebody that you really care about, it's the right thing to do. Not here to brag, just here to share a message that whenever I tend to give a lot to help somebody out, I'll get a deal on 100 more of these for like 5 cents within the week, as the storming of happens as I say that. I think that if you can really give a lot, just do it. Don't even question, just do it. It's a really good feeling. It's awesome. Especially sometimes people get like crazy reactions or they start crying or whatever. It's really cool to play Santa Claus. The weather report for you guys, and this is out here in the garage because my husband's going to be dropping this off to a family member to save his back. So everything's been put up here this weekend. The weather report for you guys in front of my house, it is kind of like rainy and stormy today. The perfect weather to just fall asleep. So I just thought it'd be fun to go through a couple of these boxes. And yeah, this whole entire cart, and then I have some food and more detergent here and some hand wipes. So I thought we'd go through a couple of these bags or these boxes just to show you kind of a trip down memory lane. And yeah, might give you an idea to help out your family members. So, or friends or whoever, somebody from church. Frosted mini wheats, these little checks, that good stuff. The big mama of Tide. And then this guy I got at Family Dollar. A whole bag full of these disinfectant wipes, always in need, and a little Halloween trick-or-treat bag, you know, for trick-or-treaters. An entire box of food, I like to do that, including some coffee, and then just some mostly snack stuff, like nothing too substantial. These will be really well received. They're the hot almonds. And then I have a box of nothing but cleaner, and then like bar soap, that sort of stuff. Also funnel cake. I've been doing keto for 2 months, so all this sweet stuff, it's gotta go. If there's ever another like lockdown, or we can't see this family member again for Christmas or the holidays, you know, at the very least, we're making an effort to stock them up with, you know, 10 things of toothpaste, you know, just the regular stuff that we get as couponers, and just a whole bunch of stuff, deodorant, shampoo, everything. These two for $1 from Rite Aid. And then we have a bunch of different detergents as well, just a variety of stuff. Wasn't a fan of this. I don't know if you guys are the same way. A big massive thing of Clorox. And then this box will go through, and then this is all disinfectant wipes, and I got some fabric softener at the bottom, but we're gonna go through this box. It's raining. So this is how I typically put these boxes together. The heavier stuff at the bottom, and something like this, don't put it in a bag, put it in a box with a base like that. So in case there's a spillage issue, it'll get caught or it won't damage everything. Multiple hand soaps, cleaners, Dollar General. A lot of good stuff. And then other little bibs and bobs that I put in, these Swiffer dusters. Uno card game, I thought they could maybe have fun with that. Couple little wax melts, and I included a burner as well. A couple Lemmy Shines, 4 things of pods, the little Walmart dollar candle, and then some OxyClean. And other things here. The bar soap. They really love bar soap. You're either a fan or you don't like bar soap. And then there's more detergent there. An entire box of wipes. And then here we have more wipes along with some detergent. That good stuff. What I've noticed in my life is that whenever I pay it forward, do something to really help somebody else out, the blessing comes 100-fold. It is the craziest thing, but it's a really powerful thing. We do this thing called extreme couponing, so you can afford to extreme give if you wish. You can do whatever you want with your stockpile, but a couple times a year, I really bless this family member, and there's a lot of tears that always show up whenever these boxes show up. And I don't do it for, I mean, my husband drops it off. I don't even see the reaction, but I do it because it's the right thing to do. and just to help out however I can. This little kit.
What's going on out here?
I'm recording a video, honey.
Did you ask for permission?
What is this?
It's a new character on Workshop.
What's it called? Jerk? Okay, very good. You just got me demonetized. Close the door.
Can I watch?
Watch what?